Don't worry, miss, you're safe.
Excuse me?
You're safe with us.
I want to know where we're going.
Just a shortcut until the situation's stabilized. We'll keep you safe.
You said that already.
Because I meant it.
What is Jackson doing? Shoot her! Shoot her! Evade! Evade! Shoot her on the freeway!
The door's on your back!
Follow me! Now!
Are you insane? I'm not going out that door! Get your foot off that!
Hey, June!
I can't see!
You are doing great!
Get out of the way!
Open the door! Open the door, June! Open the door, June! The beautiful dress, by the way. 1 second.
I totally know what you're talking about. I mean, it's so boring. I can't even stand it.
Thank you.
Who are you? What are you doing?
Hi, June.
Out of the way! I can't see!
Please unlock the door, June. Unlock the door. That way I can help you.
Can't let go!
You need to let go, June. June, door!
Sorry! Oh my God!
Come on. Come on. Come on. Yep, come over here. Right over here. Doing good. Here, hold this. Well. Check this out. Nice. These guys load for bear. They're doing well, June. Excellent driving. Over a dead guy, no less. You're natural. Beautiful dress. For April's wedding? Saturday? Yeah, that'll be nice.
Please, stop shooting people. Okay, just stop shooting people.
I understand. You're in shock. How about you stay here while I go have a word with the guys in the tunnel, okay?
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Actually, I'm just gonna go shoot them. I'll be right back.